Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journal and productivity, wellness and lifestyle. In today's video I'm going to be setting up my February 2021 bullet journal spreads, and for this month I decided to go with a rose theme. So I kind of wanted to do a Valentine's Day theme, but I didn't want it to be just like typical hearts, you know, the obvious. So I thought roses still kind of tied into that, but in a more subtle way. Initially I was going to watercolor the roses, but ended up deciding just to use my Tombow brush pens because honestly it was less a mess, it was easier to set up, and I really like the pink colors that I have, so I just thought I'd use those instead. I kept my cover page pretty simple after going all out on last month's cover page, and I just did a simple rose with the title February underneath. Now the roses that I'm drawing are actually really easy and effective. You basically just keep doing curved lines around each other until you're happy with the look. For my quote page, I decided to go with the quote, "Take time to smell the roses." I thought that went perfectly with this month's theme, and it's just a nice reminder to have as well. Now for this month I actually decided to do a bit of a little swatch piece of paper, and I kept it in the frame so that you can see the numbers of the Tombow pens that I am actually using, but of course they're also listed in the description box below. I kept my monthly spread fairly simple as well and just went with the classic grid and added in a few rose doodles around the edges to tie in with the theme. Also, can we just take a moment to appreciate how perfect February is? I was so satisfied drawing this one out this month. I just love how it starts on a Monday and ends on a Sunday. Perfect. kept my habits and earnings spreads pretty much the same as last month because these layouts really work for me at the moment, so I just swapped out the colour palette, added in some rose doodles, and it was good to go. Also, thank God for whiteout because honestly I made so many mistakes this month and I don't even know why. I just was having a bad month, but whiteout fixes everything. My weekly spread, I'm going back to the 2-page weeklies, and I wanted to try out a spread without lines, so that is without ruling the edges and the top of each of the daily boxes. So we'll see how that goes. And here is the flip through of the final spreads for February 2021. Thank you for watching my February 2021 bullet journal plan with me. Don't forget, if you liked this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks!